This bed has broccoli and cauliflower and kohlrabi and carrots and Brussels sprouts. I still have tomatoes growing. And then over in this bed, I've got shallots, a bunch of different garlic. I've got 4 different types of peas, growing carrots over here too, some radishes, some beets, rhubarb, lettuce, chard, bok choy, artichoke, arugula, some spinach, more spinach, some cress, more carrots, another artichoke, more garlic, potatoes. My asparagus is wanting to pop up. I have a feeling that my cat is eating it or laying on it though. Got a bunch of herbs going still. The oregano doesn't look too hot right now, but it's coming back. Plus all of the trees and bushes and our little fruit orchard down there.